This stinks. So this is gonna be fun. I don't like fighting my food. I don't do that. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, tonight I'm about to cook and y'all about to come with me because I got my own little taco recipe. Stuff I got at home. No need to go back, but I do need to go buy some taco shells and the fish because we making fish tacos. So y'all ready, come to the store with me and cook with me, and yeah. So I'm about to run out the door right now. I was gonna go to Meijer, but I'm probably just about to go to Kroger, even though I hate going to Kroger because Kroger is so high. Like, one day I'm gonna sit here and compare prices with y'all because Kroger is really ridiculous. But Kroger is the closest right now, and I really don't feel like driving. It is 8:53. And I don't feel like driving to Walmart or Meijer, which is still very close, but you gotta pass Kroger to get to both of them. So we're going to Kroger. And Publix is high too, so we're just gonna exclude them out the equation. But yeah, y'all. Okay, I know I told y'all I only needed fish and soft tacos, but yeah. And I spent like 20-30 minutes in that store. So everything was on sale, so don't blame me. So I got 3 pineapples. They was 88 cents. They're not ripe, so I'm just gonna have them sit in these 2 bags and ripen up. Next, we got some noodles. I know we out the hood, but we still in the hood just in case we don't got something to eat, girl, okay? And some green tea, because I'm trying to lose weight. Here go the taco shell. Some Himalayan salt for me to lose weight also. And this is for minerals in my water while I'm on my water fast. This was on sale. This was $2.99 or something like that. $2.39. It's usually $3.99. So I got this. Okay. And I got a coupon. Well, we really went to the store for some freaking fish. Okay. I don't know if I showed y'all these before. My mom gave me these for Christmas some years ago. And I'm just now knocking them all the way down. Like, a lot came in the pack. I probably got 10 or 15 still left. $14. Then here goes some green tea with chamomile, lemon and chamomile. I don't know how to pronounce that. Then we got the stress-free tea, the slim tea, your throat hurt tea, this tea, this tea, but we were add these in here. This stinks, so this is gonna be fun. Green tea is supposed to help you lose weight too, so I don't know how I'm supposed to open it. I might not even put this in there because look at it. That don't smell like it. Does it say decaffeinated? I don't know, y'all, but maybe because it got honey tea, lemon, and chamomile on there, but I guess I'm gonna be drinking all of these. Drinking all of these till my birthday, till I'm slim thick, okay? Not fat, okay? Yeah, I'm not putting these in there, so I'm just gonna be getting them out this box because my little box is already full. Since we waiting on the fish to thaw, I'm ready to go ahead and make the taco sauce. So we got sour cream, mayo, and hot sauce. You're supposed to use sriracha, but I couldn't find none when I first made it, and I found some, but no. I like what I made the first time, so that's what we're gonna do. Reduce, reuse, and recycle, okay? Mayonnaise. This is what it looked like. This is the consistency. So it's like, I don't know, tartar sauce, but not tartar sauce, but hot sauce, the buffalo sauce. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and see if these fishies is done. Still making a mess. I don't think I'm buying these no more. It's too hard to open. Walmart don't do all this. It's like they vacuum sealed it. I don't like fighting my food. I don't do that. Put a little oil in here and let that start to cook while I do these fishies over here with the lemon. So I got fish nuggets and like an actual fish strip to put in the taco. While this is sitting in the lemon juice, the oil gonna be cooking up, and when I realize that it's hot enough, I'm gonna start putting this in the batter. So, yeah. Okay, so I just threw some of this batter in there and it's cooking. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put this batter on here, but I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning. I know most people put their stuff in a bag, but no, I don't do that. I should probably start, but okay, and then the fish batter was this, but it was the regular one. I was gonna mix this in if I didn't have enough, but that wasn't enough, so I'm not using it. And this one's Cajun, that one was regular. So now our little fish look like this. I'm gonna put it in the batter. I mean, put it in the oil. fun fact, I do not like frying food whatsoever. I don't think I've fried chicken since I've been living on my own. Yeah. The most I'll do is this. And y'all could see from like a year ago when we was at our other house, I was putting my fish in the oven. At my mama's house, I was putting my chicken tenders in the oven. Okay. So we ready to let the nuggets cook. The fish strips is done. I'm gonna eat a taco with y'all because Ariane don't get off till like 12. So that's in 2 hours. It is 10:24, and yeah. So I'm just gonna eat a taco with y'all. Taste test, whatever. Get my butt in the shower and lay down. Okay. And if y'all haven't watched my last video where me working, that's why I need to get my butt in the shower. Even though I got off around 5:30 today, I'll go back in at 1:30 tomorrow. And then 1:30 on Friday, and then the other job at 6 p.m. on Saturday. But good thing it's Easter, so I got 2 days off, I believe. I don't know if for both jobs, but off the full-time job, I do have Easter Sunday off and Easter Monday, or whatever they call it. But yeah, y'all. Okay, this is turned down. My taco shell. Oh shoot. I guess I can put the cheese on the bottom. I don't know. It don't matter to me. Boom. See if I can fold it. Just busting. I'll get Ariane's reaction. Maybe if I'm up. It's 10:40, and I am so sleepy. Okay, y'all. I'm so sleepy. So this is it. I hope y'all like. Oh, I've just been doing it up. I hope y'all like tonight's dinner and like tonight's little video I did for y'all to show y'all how to make my little fish tacos. But yeah, I'm sleepy and I'm ready to go to bed. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video, babes.